Hamza from Bosnia, he says that people keep dogs outside their homes chained. And they claim that these dogs are for guarding and protecting the houses, but they're chained. So is this permissible? This is between them and Allah. If these chained dogs would actually bark if an intruder comes in, that would make the people of the house aware of such an intruder, and that would protect them. But if they're just keeping that dog as a form of being cool or being sophisticated, like so many Muslims unfortunately are doing, this is haram.